got one in that day, the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up in the...
Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Donnn here today, man. And today, man, I'm about to head out to this Jeep show in Pensacola, Florida. And that's very rare that happens, y'all. So this is probably gonna be the first time I ever go out to go check a Jeep event out in Pensacola. So I hear it's pretty big. It's for the military guys and stuff like that. So it's like a big sponsorship. You know what I'm saying? So I guess all the funds is going towards the military, which is a good thing. It's called Mission 22 or something like that, y'all. So I'm not in my Jeep right now, as you can tell, y'all. I'm in the gas station today. So I'm actually about to head out there now. Well, I had to get my truck first, y'all, and then we're gonna head out there. Right now, it's 12 o'clock. I think it started at like 9 or 10, actually, and it's over at 4, so I'm kind of running late. But I'm not gonna get out there and stay out there all that time, y'all. So I'm kind of just gonna get out there, see what it's like, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully catch a couple subscribers, y'all, because I'm 1 subscriber away from 2K. You know what I'm saying? So y'all better like and subscribe, man, if you haven't already. So yeah, y'all, hopefully we get out there and we see some cool Jeeps, which I know we will. So let's go ahead and head to my Jeep, man, and let's see what we can see today, as far as Jeeps, man. So let's get to it. Yo, YouTube, we just pulled up out here, man. There's already some nice Jeeps. So I'm finna not waste no time, y'all. I'm finna just get straight into it and show y'all some of these Jeeps, man. In the Jeep, y'all, this has got to be my favorite Jeep setup for the day, man. Look at it. You got the tent connected to the Jeep. God, I don't know what that is. I guess that's an air compressor or something. I don't know what it is, but I know it's something cool, something fire, you know what I'm saying? So, then he up here flexing on the Jeep, man. This right here got to be the best setup. Then you got the boat on top. Like, I need to get this for my next camping video, y'all, for sure. Got to. Look at this. Y'all see that Jeep? It don't make no fucking sense. My gosh. Okay, y'all. So you see, man, we still out here. I unfortunately did not bring my Jeep out in here, y'all, because I didn't want to show everybody up. You know what I mean? So I was trying to stay home today. But I probably should have, but I didn't. I let them have their moment. I ain't gonna Donnn ain't gonna do them like that today, y'all. But overall, it was some nice Jeeps out here, man. Real nice. So we might walk around to a couple of these little vendors out here. Let me show y'all. And they had not your regular vendors, man. They had boats, expensive rims, all kinds of expensive stuff that Donnn ain't gonna buy, man. But other than that, y'all, it was a pretty nice turnout. Now you see me just over here at this track. It's right next to the event. It's right next to it. So I guess they're just out here practicing. So I guess I watched that for a little bit. But other than that, man, it was pretty decent. I might put mine in there next time, but I probably won't, most likely. Yeah. But appreciate it for watching, man. Hit that like, subscribe button, and we out of here.